7 ways to improve conversion rates on Shopify. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. 1. Use apps to upsell and cross-sell. You have a 70% chance of selling to existing customers. When targeting existing customers, the best time to do it is as they are buying something. Both upselling and cross-selling are selling to customers who have already decided to buy your product. Since your product is ideal for solving a problem, they might have another similar problem another product might sell. Otherwise, you might have an accessory that makes that problem even more approachable. Shopify has upselling apps you can use to make this easier. Here are some examples. Frequently bought together, Candy Rack, reconvert, upsell, and cross-sell. Try to avoid being too pushy with the upsell as you want customers to feel like it is their decision, so avoid pop-ups at all costs. 2. Speed up your site, especially the mobile version. Over the past 2 years, there are 2 aspects of Google's search engine dominating the news. Mobile-first indexing, the importance of page speed. Google has made it clear that both are high priorities to gain a decent search ranking. Both involve the importance of improving the user experience of your visitors. If you rely on bloated, old-fashioned web code, it's time to upgrade. Also, if you don't have a mobile site, you should know that more than 80% of the world's population uses smartphones. So not only do you need a mobile-friendly site, but you need a fast one. Thankfully, many Shopify themes are ready for this. For further speed, you might consider upgrading to Shopify 2.0 if you haven't already. 3. Boost user-friendliness by improving the interface. Many website users determine whether they will leave within the first 50 milliseconds, so if those users cannot understand what your website does immediately, your bounce rate has just gotten higher. While milliseconds is a bit overkill, it isn't too far off, usually a few seconds. Having a simple website that doesn't do too much is crucial. If your competition is doing well, look at their website and take notes. Ask yourself what you want customers to do or feel when they first see your landing page. Conduct surveys from people you don't know about your website. Ask them what they think it is about. If there is no consensus among them, you might want to consider a site redesign. 4. Avoid pop-ups and spammy practices. The conversion rate of pop-ups is about 3%, which is low compared to most attempts to monetize your site. While there is a right and wrong way to do pop-ups, it comes down to this. Your entire website needs to provide value. If you do a pop-up, make sure it means something to the viewer. For example, many pop-ups offer a small discount for a free ebook. Once the user declines the pop-up, that should be the last time they see it. Good pop-ups can have higher than average conversion rates, up to 10%. Repeating pop-ups is one way to drive users away. The same habits will ruin newsletters and blogs. If everything you post does not value the user, they won't stick around much longer. 5. Use review apps like Judge Me or Trustpilot to increase social proof. Nearly 90% of purchases end with online research. Knowing this, establishing your authority is something you need to do quickly. There are 2 significant sources you can use both on and off Shopify: Judge Me product reviews, Trustpilot, while other online resources you can use Google, My Business, Yelp, etc. Trustpilot and Judge Me are the most common when advertising online stores. This is because Trustpilot is a well-known business known not to skew reviews. On the other hand, Judge Me is a method to gain direct feedback on Shopify. Displaying the customer experience at the bottom of your product establishes immediate social proof. Doing both works as a form of online reputation management, social proof, and quickly addressing user feedback. Using Judge Me, you can also add reward medals to your pages. These can't be skewed and are brought in directly from their site. 6. Add your company information about us page. More than 80% of customers agree that authenticity is vital in a brand. You can establish this authenticity through the good old-fashioned About This Company piece. While the About Us section seems like a relic of convention, people are more likely to engage with companies that have a purpose. Grove Collaborative is one great example where strong sustainability practices are the company's core. Think of why you started your e-commerce business in the first place. While making money is great, you maximize your earnings potential when working towards something passionate about. If you're not passionate about what you sell or do, you might be in the wrong profession. 7. Provide fast and helpful customer service. The user experience should be a priority to anyone operating in the e-commerce industry. Ideally, your target audience will be pretty easy to deal with, but purchasing decisions often come down to company reputation on customer service. If your company has a prolific history of bad user experiences, it will reveal itself on sites like Trustpilot and JudgeMe. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.